Six thinking hats is a process whereby one can approach a problem from 6 different perspectives, and as a result of that, end up with a far more robust solution to that problem. Six thinking hats is a very simple thinking system, and the white hat and the red hat help us to define the reality that we're thinking about. The black hat and the yellow hat help us to look at the negatives and the positives about the reality that we're looking at. And the green hat and the blue hat help us to shift our focus. Green hat finds alternative solutions to the problem. Blue hat helps us to think about different ways of thinking about the problem. And when you put all of the 6 hats together, we end up with a very powerful team approach to solving problems.